I'm Andrew Taylor, and I'm the founder of Blue Corner Marine Research. I started snorkeling and visiting coral reefs when I was a kid growing up here in Southeast Asia. As I grew older and started seeing some of the degradation and issues taking place in the marine environment, decided to study marine biology at university and dedicate my life towards marine conservation. This particular site in Nusa Penida, the original impacts to the area were from anchors dragging across the area. So what used to be sort of a structural coral reef had become almost two-dimensional rubble field. We had put coated rebar frames down, which we could transplant corals upon. We also rolled out some mesh to try and stabilize the rubble and encourage sponge and soft coral growth to try and bind some of those rubble pieces together. The thing I love most about doing coral restoration is taking students out onto the reef and showing them how to restore and seeing the excitement that people get in actually helping. When people can see that there are small things we can be doing, we get excited about it. What's really nice is when students come back after a couple years and see the corals and the areas that they had planted a few years previous, and now they're thriving with life, with fish life and invertebrates in the area, and it's just so exciting to see these students, how excited they are, and gives me excitement also seeing those corals.